go. Looks like James is just kept trying, but Percy has a strong grip. And James just kept continuing pushing. Come on, James! Almost there, James. Just keep doing. Percy has a grip again, a little. Wow, James has a great balance, just like Thomas the Tank Engine.